giving you Black Barbie Ninja Warrior vibes today, okay? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you guys how I created this look right here. I kid you not, I didn't know what look I was going for, what I wanted to do, but honestly, like, I think my hair clips and my top inspired this look, so there you have it. The reason behind this colorful, creative, artistic vibes, okay? And in today's video, the star of the show is this Venus XL Limecrime palette. The palette is gorge. And like, the pigments are so lit. I'm just happy. Like, I wanted to buy a pink palette and the packaging is lit. Let me see. Like, there's no fallout when I was using this palette. Like, and look at how big, you know, the shadows are in the pan. Like, I just love this palette so far. Like, yeah, I love it. I love the packaging. I just love it. It's just such a pretty packaging for makeup. And I feel like I need more palettes that look like this, that inspire reds and corals and just all that beautiful colors and pinks. Palettes like these give me life because honestly, if you don't know what you're gonna do for your makeup look, just look at the palette and just be like, okay, I want red, pinkish, coral vibes today. And voila, that's what happened. Quite expensive, but honestly, this is the last palette I've bought this for the last 3 months. Like, I'm not gonna be buying palettes anymore, guys, sadly, because I feel like that phase of my life is over. I was literally like just buying palettes left and right just because they came out and just because they were on a popular page like Trendmood and stuff like that. I'm just like, oh my god, I gotta have this. But no, I've grown up now. Like, I'm 23. I know all these palettes are coming out. All these palettes that are coming out are like the same shades and all that stuff. So if you guys see a new palette on my channel, just know I had to get it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had to get it. Like, it had a specific color and range for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really had to get it. So yeah, I'm unfortunately over the makeup hype. I still love the makeup community, but I'm not gonna be spending $45 for palettes when I could spend $45 somewhere else. Like, as far as clothes go, like, I'm into fashion now. Like, I'm into clothes more than I am into makeup, and I'm into hair more. So I feel like I have all the palettes, all the makeup in the world. I'm only gonna re-up on certain things, like, you know. So yeah, y'all can have that. I'm moving on. Elevate. But yeah, so that really went weird. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy how this video turns out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Let's get this crease popping, shall we? I'm gonna begin by taking burnt gold with my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm just packing on the shadow very densely into my crease. We're just placing this color where we want it because later on we're gonna buff it out with a different transition color. Now I'm taking Flora and just buffing out burnt gold with this color and just creating a widespread effect. Then I'm adding burnt gold once again back to the crease and just intensifying the color, and then going ahead and buffing it out once again with Flora. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using a white concealer. The trick here is to look up. This tells you where your crease is at, and all you have to do is apply the concealer all over your lid. And here you see me just fixing up, you know, the earlier work I did. Just going in with scallop and then burnt gold, putting it back into the crease. And now we're gonna begin by creating an upside down triangle. I'm taking burnt gold into the outer V portion and in the inner portion as well, because we're about to create a gradient effect. So I'm taking burnt gold, and next I'm going to be taking Flora over that
and working it towards the center of the eye and blending it in. And don't be afraid to get messy, because it does get a little bit messy, but that's the beauty in it. I took Botticelli, I think that's how you say it, on the outer V portion as well and the inner portion as well, just to create more depth. And then I'm taking blank canvas to widen up the middle of my eye up again. Taking Botticelli again on the outer V portion because I felt like I lost some of the color. I'm going to be using NYX's glitter primer to prime my eyes for the glitter, and the glitter that I'm going to be using is Pink Patrol from Bulk Glitters. This color is just gorgeous. It's mixed with some blue and pinks in it. So I'm taking Scallop on the inner portion just to blend it out and create that gradient effect, and also going with Botticelli once again to create that gradient effect. I know I look like a ghost. It's this Texas heat. I wasn't prepared, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix it up by bronzing up the face. So for concealer, I'm using Sephora's Total Coverage Concealer. I ended up using more than I needed, but I'm gonna fix that too up as well. I'm going to be highlighting my under eyes, chin, forehead, nose, upper lip area. So to cut my cheeks, I'm going to be using Cover FX Illuminating Powder in dark. And this is how I'm going to balance out the white cast on my face. I love this powder because it always saves the day. Like if I ever feel like my foundation's too light, all I need to do is just use this and it just darkens up my face. And next I'm going to be mixing my Perfect Setting Powder and Illuminate Powder from Cover FX to set my under eyes and everywhere else that I highlighted. I make sure I get everywhere, sis, because I can't be caught lacking. So now I'm going to be dusting off my face and then bronzing up again just to make sure that my foundation and everything just looks perfectly blended. And then I'm taking Sephora foundation powder in Neutral Almond just to really make sure that my foundation matches my skin tone and everything works well together. Applying it really, really lightly, just lightly tapping it on the face. And this also helps to fill in your pores and just makes you look perfect. So it's a lot of powder going on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my setting spray from Tatcha. It's the Dewy Mist one, and I'm gonna just apply this all over the face. Highlighting with Maybelline's Molten Gold. This color is fire. Done with the face, I'm going to go ahead and continue to finish up the eyes. I'm taking Flora with a Morphe brush and just smoking out the bottom lash line. I'm taking Puree, Just Peachy and Luscious from the Too Faced Peachy palette and applying that into the inner corner of my eyes. I love this palette, it smells so good. To soften the lower lash line a little bit more, I went in with Sigma E36 blending brush. Then I went ahead with Burnt Gold once again and continued to smoke out the bottom lash line to bring the look together.
I put brown liner in the waterline. So Riche is gonna go into the waterline. Go pop on lashes and I'll be back.
The lashes I use are her lashes in the style Bad Intentions.
I forgot I was filming a makeup tutorial and I was about to do my lipstick without the camera being on. So yes, I'm going in with Stone. Like I put on lipstick or lip liner really childish like, but it's okay. So I'm gonna take Toast. I did Stone first so that, you know, it could really really define my lips. So now I'm just grabbing any color that I have. This is a Rimmel color and it's Addiction. I'm trying to think. Honey Love. This is a staple. If you watch my channel, like, I feel like I always use this color. Option number 1, it's always new for me because I have like a bright eye going on right now. So yeah, option number 1. Then option number 2 is to top it off with some lip gloss. I'm gonna use She Better Work from Patrick Starr's and Matte collaboration. Just apply that on the lip. And then I'm gonna use Becca's Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss in the shade Rose Quartz. Ooh, yes. This is option number 2. I literally just winged this, so I hope you guys enjoyed how this look turns out. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll be back.